There's a little bird called hen hao in the forest. It has beautiful feathers, but it is very lazy. In autumn, all animals are busy preparing for winter. Squirrels store nuts, and sparrows build warm nests. Hen hao, let's build a nest together, the sparrows call. But hen hao says, it's still warm today. I'll do it tomorrow. Day by day, hen hao plays and sings all day. It never starts building the nest. Winter comes at last. Every night, cold wind howls and snowflakes fly. Hen hao shivers in the tree, teeth chattering. I'm freezing. Tomorrow I must build a warm nest, it promises itself firmly. But when the sun rises the next day, the forest glows golden, the wind calms down, and the sunlight feels warm on hen hao's feathers. It forgets all about the cold night. Let's play first, it thinks. Night after night, hen hao shivers and makes promises. Day after day, it plays and forgets. No nest is ever built. One freezing morning, the animals find hen hao lying still on a branch covered in snow. This story tells us, don't put off till tomorrow what you can do today.